Hi guys, so today I'm going to talk to you about how to use Google Forms. And Google Forms is a great way to integrate different technology applications in the classroom because you can make different quizzes, you can make different assessments, you can make different exit tickets, different worksheets, and it's actually a really easy and simple way for teachers to get faster responses because the computer will do the responses for you. And also, it's actually a really great way to cut down on paper in the classroom because instead of having to print out 30 or 60 or even 120 different copies of a quiz, they can just all do it on the computer or their tablets or their laptops, and then they can just submit it to you, and then you'll have it on your computer. And also, uh, you won't lose anyone's quiz because you'll have it right on your computer. So for Google Forms, I'm already signed into my Google account, but if you're not, then you would just sign into your Google account and just type in Google Forms and then click on the link for it. And you can I already have some quizzes made because I obviously utilize it in my work right now. I love this application. I think it's great. So you can have a complete blank form, you can have a blank quiz, an assessment, an exit ticket, a worksheet. These are all the different templates that you can use, but today we're just going to use a blank quiz. And the really cool thing about Google Forms is you have choices if you would want to use multiple choice for your quiz or assessment, paragraph answers, short answers, check boxes, or drop downs. So you have a lot of different choices that you can have, and you can also upload different pictures or files on the Google Forms. If you, for instance, in a geography class, if you want them to answer a question about that, then they could look at the image or the file that you uploaded and then answer the question from that. But we're just going to do multiple choice. And this quiz is going to be about the science elements. So, first question would be, what is the symbol for aluminum? And the really cool thing is it actually gives you the suggested correct answer. So it's right, AL. So option 1, we're going to make that just A. And to add another option, we're just going to click right here. So option 2, we're going to make that the correct answer, which would be AL. And then at option 3, we'll do AM. Okay, so then you're going to want to have to click the correct answer. So to click the correct answer so that the computer knows, you're going to click on answer key right there. And then just very simply do the correct answer. And then you can go back. If you wanted to add another question, you're just going to press the little plus button. And then we're going to do one more question. So it could be, what is the symbol for boron? So option 1, we're going to do just B, so that's our correct answer, and then we'll do BO, and then we'll do BN. So then answer key, AL, and then B. Alrighty. And then obviously when a student is taking a quiz or an assessment, each question is a certain amount of points. So you can add how many points, we'll do 5. So that will be the amount of question or points that one particular question is worth. And then whenever you are ready to either share the Google form with your classmates or a fellow colleague to have them look at it, you're just going to go to the top right, press send, and then you would email it. You usually would have a class list of all the emails, so you would send that to your whole class. and or your colleagues or anyone that you want to have the form, and then they can answer it, and then the responses will be recorded right there. Obviously, I don't have any responses because I just made this, but then your responses would be right there. And in the future, I definitely plan on using Google Forms in the classroom. I'm definitely going to use it for quizzes, maybe assessments. I think sometimes students, I know I do, like having a paper form, but definitely for little quizzes where a whole entire thing of paper doesn't need to be wasted. I think it's great for little quizzes, definitely different polls that you want to do, or worksheets that you maybe would want students to do on their own at home. But Google Forms, it's a great, great application, and I'm definitely going to integrate Google Forms into my classroom. And I hope that you guys learned something new about Google Forms today.